Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 15. Given f of x is equal to x over x minus 1, find f circle f of x. So, yung value ng f of x daw natin is equal sa x over x minus 1. Hanapin si f circle f of x. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng f circle f of x? So, it is composition of function. So, equal siya sa f of x. So, ibig sabihin, itong f of x is i-evaluate natin sa f of x. Meaning, papalitan natin lahat ng mga x dito sa f of x ng f of x. So, di ba yung f of x natin is x over x minus 1. So, to evaluate f of x, papalitan natin tong mga x ng f of x itself. Okay? And then, yung f of x uli na to is, papalitan na natin siya yung value niya in terms of x. So, bale, f of x is sa numerator, we have x over x minus 1 all over another f of x, papalitan din natin ng x over x minus 1 minus 1. So, isi-simplify na lang natin tong expression, which is a complex fraction siya, no? Fraction na may fraction sa numerator at denominator. So, ang gagawin ko para ma-simplify siya is i-multiply ko both numerator and denominator by the LCD. So, ang LCD is x minus 1, right? So, multiply both numerator and denominator by x minus 1. So, sa numerator, multiply natin x over x minus 1 times x minus 1. So, makakancel mo lang sa x minus 1, x na lang. Over, sa denominator naman, so, bali, i-multiply natin to, x minus 1, i-distribute. So, x over x minus 1 times x minus 1, cancel sa x minus 1, x na lang. Then, minus 1 times x minus 1, x minus 1. Then, simplify natin. So, x over x minus 1. So, i-distribute ko yung negative. Bale, negative x, then negative of negative 1, positive 1. Yan. So, we have x over x minus 1. So, cancel mo na siya. 1 na lang. Or x over 1 is simply x. Yan. So, therefore, the value of f of x is x. Okay?